Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Tiff and I am back with a video. It has been a minute, like for real, it has been a minute since I have done a makeup tutorial, makeup video. It has been, you know what, let's see when is the last time your girl posted a makeup tutorial video. No, that can't be it. Hold on, let me just double check. Let me double check real quick. Let me make sure that is correct. But if it is correct, then your girl has not posted a video in 4 months. 4 months. September 13th to be exact was my last makeup video. So we about to jump into this video and I'm about to do the soft glam makeup look. I've been seeing everybody do that look. I'm like, oh, I can do that. That is definitely something I can do. So I'm like, let me go ahead and film this video for you guys. Quick disclaimer, I'm not doing a Michael Jackson right now, but your girl probably has carpal tunnel. So this is like a compression glove. So that is what you're going to see on my hand. But I want to get right into this video. So let's, hold on. If you're not subscribed to my channel, if you are not a part of the Tiff fam, then please go ahead and like and subscribe this video. Subscribe, then like, and then share. Okay? So now that that is done, we are going to get right into this video. Let's go. Alright, so my face is already moisturized and I do want to go ahead and go in with my primer. I'm going to try to tell you guys all of the products I'm using throughout the video. If I forget to mention something, then I will have it listed in the description bar below. But right now I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer. I guess I love how like sticky it is, because I feel like if it's sticky then I know it's really getting into my skin. And I actually use this a lot on clients when I'm doing makeup. I go between this and the Mineralize mattifying lotion. But yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Nars All Day Radiant or Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm the color Macao. I love this foundation, y'all, like for real. And I'm taking a Morphe E6 brush. It's just like a flat brush. And I'm typically a 3-pump girl. Typically a 3-pump girl. Oh, 3-pump. And I'm just gonna swipe that on my face and then get into. But I feel like my foundation routine has changed over the last several months, just in terms of what I do. And I haven't really changed products too much, so I'm still using the same products. It's just a technique in which I do in some of the brushes. I'm going in with the Toofaced concealer. This is a shade Mocha, and that's gonna go like right in the outer perimeter. I'm doing a little bit right here. And we're gonna go ahead and do the nose. We're gonna do the nose. Just a little right there. Now, what I also have been, I've been going back to my trusty old favorite LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. Like, I kind of feel like, I just love it. I get all these new foundations. I'm trying new foundations and then I forget about the stuff that I had before that I truly, truly love. And then when I'm like in the mix of trying to figure out a new routine or just looking through my drawer of makeup, and I've come across stuff that I have not used in so long, and I'm like, I need to use that. I need to pull that back out. So now I'm going in with a beauty blender. This is actually from Real Techniques. It is damp. I'm going to go ahead and blend in this concealer. This is the concoction or shade that I go with when I'm trying not to be too extra with my here we go. When I'm trying not to be too extra with my concealer. And then I always bring it up and over my eyelid, because one, I have the extra product, and two, might as well go ahead and conceal the eye as well. See? You know we're not done yet, but I'm just letting y'all see how that is. Okay, now I do want to contour, and I'm going in with the Color Pop concealer. This is in the shade Deep Dark 56. And I'm just going to... Ew. I'm gonna go in with that. And I'm gonna take the booty end, the booty, and blend. And the same thing is just tapping motions. See? So that is how that has come along. Ooh. Y'all see? I'm not gonna go underneath the contour with the concealer because I'm gonna cut that when I do my powder. And since we're going back with oldies and goodies, I'm gonna take the Sacha Buttercup, and I'm going to take the Nye Topaz. And I like mixing these two. I don't do it often, but when I kind of want a particular look, I kind of mix them together. And I'm not even really gonna bake, y'all. I'm going to set my skin with the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm making sure just to go around. Y'all know the drill. For contour, we're going back with another oldie but goodie. This is the Covergirl Ebony Bronzer. And I'm using the Morphe M581 brush. Yes, it has some powder on it because I used it the other day. I'm just going to contour. Y'all see how that's coming together? Now I'm going in with my sponge and some more of my powder. And now I'm going to cut underneath there. And this does, to me, it does the same exact thing if I went in with concealer. It's still gonna give me that cut look that I want. So I'm okay. I'm okay. Now we're not gonna put this CoverGirl bronzer up just yet. This is the Bdellium Tools brush number 785. It's just a blended brush. And I'm going to use this on my eye. Now I am going to prep my lashes with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Okay. It's coming along. It's coming along. I'm about to apply some lashes. I don't know what pair I'm going to apply just yet. But I'm about to get some lashes and we about to keep going. So let me apply my lashes and I'll be right back. All right, so we have the lashes on and I feel like I want my eyes to pop. So I'm just going in with a white eyeliner. I'm going to use that in my waterline just to make them a little bit brighter. Lip Bo Peep. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe off this extra powder. I'm gonna go in with little bronze today, honey. Whew. I always start off really light and then work my way up because I don't want to apply too much and then be looking a little crazy. So I just start with a little at a time and then I work. Now that wasn't a little. That was not a little. You just tapped into that brush. See? That wasn't a little. And we're gonna do the tip. And I'm going to take a little bit of that and put it under my brow bone. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the lips done. I'm using the NYX just regular lip pencil. This is in the shade brown. Nothing special, nothing big, just brown. I really want to go with a nude. Everything in me want to go with a nude, but let's see something. Okay, so this is the Sephora Fig Lustre. What the hell is this? This is the long wear Lustre. Oh, it's the Lustre matte. You know I wanted to go with a nude. I mean, this is kind of nude, but it's got some color. Ooh. So we're gonna set our face. This is damn near empty, but this is the Prep and Prime Fix. This is the Fix Plus spray. This is in coconut. It's almost empty, so please don't just shoot out on my face. Woo. Alright guys, so this is my completed look. This is my soft glam makeup look. Baby, I can do soft glam in my sleep. Soft glam, wake up, bam, soft glam, this is that. So I hope you guys like this look. The lashes that I wound up using, I can't even tell you. I got them off of AliExpress. I just know it's a E6. So I don't even know which kind that was, but I'll try to link it below if you guys like these lashes. But yeah, this is the overall look. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling myself. And I hope you guys like it. So as always, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. It is absolutely free to do so. Go ahead and don't forget to subscribe for your girl. And as always, I will see you all in the next video.